Hi and welcome back. Now let's consider an example of playing with the strings. Let's take up this particular question where we need to write a function to convert all lowercase characters into uppercase and vice versa. That means all uppercase to lowercase. So before we jump into the code for this particular exercise, let's try to understand the algorithm first. What logic we are going to deploy for solving this problem. Now we know that all the characters, they are continuous in the ASCII table. So characters will be something like this: A, B, C, D, E, F and so on till X, Y, Z, all small case. And similarly for the uppercase characters, they will also be continuous. Now if we are given one particular character and it is at some position, let's say somewhere here, in that case what we need to do is we need to find out at how much distance this particular character is there with respect to small a. If we know the distance of the characters starting from small a, then what we can do is we can add the same distance to the character capital A and find out the corresponding capital character to the given small case character. So if our small case character is here, then we need to find out its distance, right? We need to see how much distance is there from the small a, apply the same distance starting from capital A and get the position of capital character. So this will be our solution. Now let's jump into the code. So we have defined this function convert case, which is accepting a string, right? And this is the new string which will be formed, which we want to return from this particular function. We are iterating over the given string for ch in mystr. First of all, we are checking whether the given character is a small case character or not. If it is a small case character, then it has to be greater than equal to small a and it has to be less than equal to small z, right? So once you have done that, as per our algorithm, we need to find out its distance starting from the small a. And for calculating the distance from small a, we need to subtract the position of small a from the position of the given character. And how do we get the position of given character or position of small a? We are using this function ORD. So we say ORD ch minus ORD a. This will give us the offset of the character from the small a. Now what we need to do is add this offset to the position of capital A. So what we are doing, again making use of this particular function ORD a and add the offset to it, and now the new position has come. What we need to do is convert this new position into corresponding character, and for converting to the character we are using this function chr. Okay, combining this expression and the function chr, we can get the new character which will be the capital character. And once you have received this capital character, simply append this character, simply concatenate this capital character to the new string. So this particular expression, this if block, is converting the lowercase character into uppercase character. And on the same lines, this particular block, this elif block, is converting the uppercase character into lowercase character. On the same lines, it is calculating the distance between the character, the given character, from the position of capital A and adding the same offset to the position of small a. And that is how it is converting from lowercase to uppercase and from uppercase to lowercase. Now coming to this else block. This else block corresponds to the character which is neither lowercase nor uppercase. It can be a digit character or it can be some other character, right? And finally, this new string which is formed in this particular loop that gets returned. In the main program, we are simply calling this function to the given string which is hello world and printing the output. Let's try to run this program first. And we can see that the given string was hello world with H and W capital, and in the output the H and W have become small case, all other characters have become uppercase. Right, so this is how this program is working. Now this program is working fine. However, if we notice this new str equal to new str plus h, it is there in the if block, it is there in the elif block, and it is there in the else block as well. So that means this particular statement is independent of this if conditions. So what we can do is remove these statements from the if block, from the elif block, and from the else block as well. Now because there is no statement left in the else block, so we can remove the else block itself. And outside of this if and elif, we can put the same statement new str is equal to new str plus ch, right? And now if we run the same program again, output should be same. So I hope this particular example is clear to you now. Let's move on to the next problem. Thank you.